Ba, come here, nigga. Ba, come here. GFatss.
I'm 17 with a Glock 17. Young nigga, I'm heartless. Don't play my ops in the party, cause then I start shooting and acting retarded. 067's a whole different month. Niggas know where I'm from and I run my apartment. And that nigga died, they left his low ass fraud. Somebody passed me a charge and use that shit, you gon' get it regardless. Was doing the air flying high like a Martian. And I be doing just me and my gun, so I won't ever run on my hop out sparking. They try to come through shit, we gon' park it. And bro took one of the G's off the mark. My gun raised in the neck, DeMarcus. Why the fuck you keep on talking?
He looked surprised in his face when I walked up. That's the last thing he's ever gonna see. He ain't really think we was gonna get up on him. He ain't never really think he'd run into me. They know I really be banging for hours. We the ones left his bros dead in the street. Niggas don't even really beef in the hood. How the fuck niggas tryna come jumping the beef? Nigga, I'm Hvndo, boy, I'm the one. See me outside, better go get your gun. I be banging for days, should be banging for fun. He got hit in the stomach and fucked up his lungs. Niggas be dropping their guns, plan on banging it out, so I came with a drum. Oh, nigga got hard, I'ma show me dumb. Put the belt to his ass like I'm PUNC, baby boy, yeah, nigga, that's me. I be hawking shit down, heard he fast on his feet, heard he play football, heard he a QB. It's a different type feel, he get shot at his cleat. It's a different type feel, he get shot at his cleat.
Gang, go!
Right foot, creep. Came home, the violence increased. They know I bang on shit like Greek. He taking cover, ducking across the street. Man, bro was lurking for weeks. Catch a hop, jump around that Jeep. Creep, glizzy, knock him off his feet. Glock 19, put it right on his beak. You in the shoes, then learn how to drive. Can't do both, they ain't provide. Little bro, whole wheel, he active. They try to cash, but he wanna slide. Been through, they hard. Bro, he patrolling the wheel, shit glide. I pop door niggas ducking they taco. I throw shots, get back in the ride. Jumped in the water, feel like Michael Phelps. Down bad, I was looking for help. Lost corner, I start trolling. I don't make niggas feel how I felt. He was dissing, he got dealt. While the hops get pulled on the shelf. Jump out the car, creep up, move stealth. I got a stench of cord, fuck a belt. I'm at the rim, I bang. I got a box in the G, shit spin on flames. I'm in the court scoring like I'm Dane. When deals got hit in his neck, he changed. He tryna run you sane. Blow up the block, look like that war with Ukraine. If he fall, then you bang. We turn the op name to a gang.
Gang, go! Big 90, man, you don't know me, you don't know yourself. Hey, GFatss was poppin', nigga. Hey, Hvndo, what up? Gang, go!
Pretty man, long little man, long let my little brother, man. Y'all know I be man.
He said when he fall, then you bang.